Today I'm making stir-fried one-pot mee sua. Much like the other stir-fried noodles recipes, it's very delicious and worth the effort. This recipe is for 4 to 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 270 grams of fried mee sua, 120 grams of Hong Kong choy sum, 120 grams of cabbage cut into large square, 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of garlic oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 130 grams of prawns, cleaned, deshelled, and deveined, 130 grams of chicken, sliced thinly, 55 grams of squid flowers, 40 grams of spring onions cut into 2 inches length with stem and leaf separated, 1 red chili cut into strips, half teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and half tablespoon of light soy sauce. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, marinate the chicken with 1/3 of the salt. I am doing it in 2 batches for an even marination. Next, marinate the prawns with 1/3 of the salt. And repeat with the balance of the salt with the squid flowers. Then prepare the choy sum. Separate the leaf from the stem and set aside. Cut the stem into half to reduce their cooking time. Remove the desired portion of the mee sua. And today I am using 270 grams. Set aside. I have prepared a pot of boiling water here. We will blanch the mee sua to soften it slightly for about 3 minutes. After 2.5 minutes, remove the mee sua with a strainer. Shaking to remove the excess water, place the mee sua in the colander to remove the excess water. Set aside. In a non-stick pan, add 1 tablespoon of garlic oil and let it heat up. Once the oil has heated up, add the prawns one by one to cook for about 1.5 minutes. And all the squid flour to cook for about 3 minutes. After about 1 minute, flip the prawns to cook it on the other side. Gently stir the squid as well for an even cooking. After 30 seconds, the prawns are done. Remove from the pan and set aside. After 1.5 minutes, the squid is done as well. Remove from the pan and set aside with the prawns. There is some delicious flavor of prawns and squid in the pan now. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic oil and all the chicken slices. Stir to cook them evenly for about 2 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, the chicken is turning slightly brown. Add all the choy sum stems and cabbage. Stir briefly to mix them. Add half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Give it a stir to mix and cook the ingredients for about 40 seconds. Then push the chicken and stem to one side to expose half of the pan. Add about 3/4 tablespoon of garlic oil to the exposed pan. Add all the eggs and half of the light soy sauce. Give the eggs a mix with the spatula, cooking it like a scrambled eggs. Don't mix it too much as we want to have a yellow and white marbling of the eggs. Spread it out and let it rest for about 10 seconds to set. Then break it a little. and mix with the rest of the ingredients. Add all the miso. It is better to loosen it before adding it in so that it will be much easier to stir and mix with the seasonings. Add in the pepper, sesame oil, or the light soy sauce, the balance of the oyster sauce, the spring onion stem, and half of the crispy fried garlic. Mix for about 3 minutes or until the seasoning, ingredients, and miso are well combined. Oh, I forgot the thick soy sauce. Add all of it to the miso and continue to mix. The color should darken slightly and become even. Alright, the noodles are halfway mixed. Add the choy sum leaf, half of the spring onion leaves, sliced red chilies, or the prawns and squid. Continue to stir until they are all well combined. It already looks so good. After 3 minutes of stirring, the ingredients and miso are well distributed. Add the remaining garlic oil to the pan for fragrance. Stir the noodle briefly. And we are done. Give it a taste. Delicious. There is enough seasoning and taste. Add the rest of the crispy fried garlic and the spring onion leaves as topping. Switch off the heat and our stir-fried miso is ready to be served. Let's eat! Very delicious. The prawns is so tender and juicy, and the miso is really soft and very flavorful. It is a perfect one-pot meal for the whole family. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!